My name's Britton and I'm from Goodwood Station, Boulia, and we grow beef cattle out there, so we're beef farmers, and as a sideline I have a photography business as well. We have a drone, we've had a drone for about 2 or 3 years and I operate that, and my main reason for taking photography of any sort, stills or footage, is to showcase what we do at home as well as the landscape and how things as in the weather works out there as well. We've got lots of channels, so to put it out there, I'm active on social media, and to put it out there to people so that there's that understanding as well, that trust and understanding that we're talking about all the time. So that's my way of, I think it's my way of giving back to the community as well as being part of the community. So to showcase what we do out here, and when I talk about Outback Queensland, I sort of talk about like what Rapid covers, the area that Rapid covers. So it's not just our little part of the world, we've all connected together as shires. So that's my take on it. And to come here, I wanted to come last year, and so I bit the bullet this year and said, right, I'm backed it in, they're mustering out home and everything, so, but I'm here. So, but anyway, and yes, so I did the early bird thing and I'm off to the World Zone drone. And to be honest, I really don't know what to expect. So I'm going with an open mind. Like yesterday was our first day here, and the knowledge that I gained from yesterday is huge. So I can't imagine what the world drone thing will be. So I'm basically going with an open mind to find out what I know that I will learn something, and then hopefully take it back to our communities and then spread the word of actually what's out there and what we can do with drones and how it can help the agricultural business as well as photography. So yeah, I'm just open mind, ready to learn and very excited about it.